understanding the science behind the technology is how Alcatel-Lucent's Bell Labs is developing the next generation of mobile. Innovation is essential to the ongoing development of the mobile industry. Alcatel-Lucent has access to some of the best researchers and scientists in the business through the world-renowned Bell Labs.
The origins of Bell Labs actually date back to the invention of the telephone. From 1925 to 1984, it was part of a regulated monopoly, American Telephone and Telegraph. We became part of Lucent Technologies, then we merged with Alcatel in 2007, and so that's where we are right now. One of the important values at Bell Laboratories is that the researchers take the time to understand the science behind the discoveries that they're working on. And this results in breakthroughs.
You assemble a team with different perspective, with different background, bringing them together, having them challenge each other every single day, collaborate with external partners, customers, as well as universities. But it is crucial to also have the teams in-house, and having those people work together gives us these new great ideas.
We want to be surprised by Bell Labs. So by that definition, they have to keep innovating in order to surprise us. And that's what we most look forward to when we engage with Bell Labs.
It's incredibly important that Bell Laboratories be out at the leading edge. It's the responsibility that we have, the corporation, that we're out in front, we understand the landscape, we're agile, and we can be there when the corporation is ready.
Last year, Bell Labs research gave us the light radio architecture that fundamentally changes the way we look at wireless networks.
Light radio is a revolution for both, I think, Alcatel-Lucent and the industry. And since everything is going to be wireless in the future, it really is the architecture for every experience you're going to have on a device, because all devices are now mobile.
The light radio came about because our customers needed it. They need to have a lot more cell sites, but they need to make them invisible. They need to make them so small you could hide it. My customers need to put a lot more antennas out there to serve the wireless user. What we're seeing this year is we've been able to take that research cube and turn it into a real product that's covering the Thera with 4G. But the cube itself, that was a challenge I gave my team in March of 2010. We had a concept, we had an idea, and we brought it here to Barcelona. And our customers saw it, and then they helped us create the products that we see today.
It all starts by understanding the science behind the technology, and that's where the expertise of Bell Labs comes into play.
In a field like telecommunications, where technology is advancing so quickly, it's always difficult to predict the directions that things are going to go. But if you understand the fundamental science behind things, then you can adapt very quickly as things move in different directions, and you can take advantage.
It's really hard to predict the long-term future, what the future will look like. But in order to do so, we need to understand the fundamental technology and science behind that. So we are looking at things like quantum physics, quantum computing, quantum communications, in order to get a feeling what the possibilities are. And so this is some of the work we are driving forward right now.
That's all for today's show, but join us again tomorrow when we'll be looking at cloud and the customer experience. Until then, thanks for watching and goodbye.